How to send USDT from Exodus wallet. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can send a USDT from Exodus wallet. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to send USDT from Exodus wallet, what you have to do is first of all open the Exodus wallet app on either your mobile or on your desktop. When you have done that, from the top you will be able to see various sort of options. We simply want to go to the option that says wallet over here. Now here we have to select the type of USDT we want to send. So on the top left you can see the search bar. Click on the search icon and just type in USDT and you can see bridged USDT, Tether USD or frapped USDT. So depending upon whichever USDT it is you want to send, simply select that. And you can simply choose a network as well. So you can go ahead and choose other networks. Then click on the send button. Now you have to have the address, which is a bridged USDT address, to which address you want to send. If you have the QR code also, you can simply scan the QR code or scan from desktop. Otherwise, what you can do is you can simply paste the address to which you want to send and enter the amount of USDT that you would like to send over here. And when you've done that, click on the send button to confirm the transaction. That way you can send USDT from Exodus wallet. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.